Road trip, first of 2 road trips in the near future. Me and the girls, say hello girls.
Hi!
Are off to the National Kit Car Show to go and have a look at some cool stuff, get some inspiration, meet up with the Tribute Automotive crew, the people who've built other cars from Tribute, see some of those. And yeah, it should be good fun.
We might get to ride in a really fast car.
We might get to do the Westfield experience. We shall see if it's on today, depending on the weather. It's a little bit damper than we predicted because I looked up the weather forecast for Stoneleigh in Surrey, not Stoneleigh in Warwickshire. Still, we have coats. And yeah, I've got no idea what this video is going to be like. Maybe a sort of collage of photos, maybe some bits of video, various bits of fun stuff. We shall see.
Yeah.
That was fun. On our way home, just stopped to refuel. Well, refuel my belly anyway, at the M6 toll services. Bit wet, nothing like the weather last year when we were more worried about sunburn than getting soaked. But lots of inspiration, lots of nice cars. Met some of the Tribute Automotive crew. Hello, Dave Painter. Yeah, a good day out, definitely. Spoke to, oh no, I'll save that one actually. Save that bit of news. Hope you enjoyed that. Bye bye.